It's like Cousin It. Hey guys, what's up? This is Neon Moon. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to do the Ariana Grande ponytail. Which also came back from Madonna years back. Now this is from Red Hair, Red Salon, and these are awesome extensions. You can wash them, brush them, you can straighten them, everything. Perfect! Let's go. This is the Tresemme, so we're just going to spray our hair. Spray it all over. Make sure your hair is washed and looking spiffy. So we're going to have two different types of hair ties. The little tiny baby one. And then this one is like a thicker one, so it's a little bit more stronger. So we're going to use the baby one first. And I like to use two. So let's try and put our hair up in a pony. All the way up, like nice and high. Ah! That's pretty tight. Okay. Yeah, it's like a fountain. Alright, and then we're gonna add the other one. It's up to you, it depends if it's too tight or not. I like to add this one because just once you put on the extension, it can be like bopping. So I'll put this one. Boom. Alright. So now we spray again. Get rid of the flyaways. Lovely. Just lovely. Okay, and then we take our extension, give him a brush, and then you'll see on here, on the extension from Red Salon, it has a clip. So that clip we're going to clip onto the last hair tie that we just put on. So I'm going to put it behind like this, and then underneath and pull it up. Boom! You can either clip it or just hook it, up to you. And then this part here is going to go around and around and around. So the first time I'm going to go around is going to be a little Velcro, and we're going to put that on. So there it is, I've just Velcroed it together. And what I like to do is like, instead of just going straight, I like to do it one time and then put a clip. He's not going anywhere. You're not moving anywhere. Whenever I DJ, my hair's always like flying in my face, and so it's really good to have this type of pony. So I just put the one pin. Now go around again. I'm gonna stick one more here. So just these like little fat clips. Yeah, those ones. It's up to you, you can get other beautiful ones, but my hair's dark, so you can't see it. And then we're gonna bring it around again, all the way around. Da, 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 da. And then the last time at the back. Do we have another clip? I do, I got another one. Don't stress out, guys, it's all good. Here it is. Pin that one in. Oh, wow. Wowza! Whoo! I wear this all the time. Get excited. Alright, and then we're just gonna spray again the front. Spray. Oh wow, look at that. Alright guys, this is the pony, Ariana Grande's ponytail. And if you guys want to get this ponytail, I will put a link below for Red Hair Salon. Oh, I'm ready to rock it out. Boom!